Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's eye makeup is a captivating smoky eye with a stunning color combination that is super easy to achieve. I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step process so you can recreate this look with confidence. If you want to try this eye makeup look, make sure to watch the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using a single eyeshadow in a beautiful plum shade and using this fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm applying the eyeshadow to the inner part of my eyelid and blending it seamlessly to ensure this area of my lid is well covered. This medium-sized blending brush is one that I used in most of my videos as I find it makes blending the eyeshadow quite easy and allows for a nice seamless application with great pigmentation. Based on your personal experience and comfort level, you can use any type of fluffy eyeshadow brush for this step. Next, I'm using a gray eyeshadow shade and applying it to the outer corner of my eyelid using the same blending brush. I've actually chosen this gray shadow as the base. Since I'll be using a black eyeshadow to deepen the outer corner of my lid, you can go straight to using the black eyeshadow for this step if you prefer. Just be sure to blend the edges well so there are no harsh lines. As I said, I'm using a black eyeshadow and then sweeping the same brush across the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm taking care to blend it well so there are no harsh lines. The reason I use simple eyeshadows is that, in my opinion, you can create a beautiful eye makeup look whether you use expensive or affordable eyeshadows. You just need to play with the colors, combine the shadows with different brushes and create attractive color combinations to achieve an exceptionally beautiful eye makeup look. I repeat the same eyeshadow application process for my lower lash line using a small flat brush. I apply the purple eyeshadow across the entire lower lash line and blend it out well. Next, use the black eyeshadow with the same flat brush. Apply the black shadow from the outer edge of the lower lash line and extend it only halfway, just to the middle. Be sure to blend out really well. Now take your favorite concealer and with a small brush, apply the concealer starting from the inner corner of my eyelid, following the natural crease of my lid. This is similar to the cut crease technique, but we won't fully cover the inner part of the eyelid with concealer. We will only apply it to a small section at the beginning of the eyelid. This shading technique is very beautiful and can make your eyes appear more open and larger. Make sure to apply the concealer using this technique. Simply trust the process and complete the eye makeup look step by step. I use my finger to fix any harsh lines between the concealer and the purple eyeshadow. This is the easiest way to seamlessly blend the line between the concealer and the eyeshadow. I apply a white eyeshadow on the concealer area to make that section brighter. This step is optional. Next, I use a powder glitter and apply to the center of my eyelid using my finger. See how stunning this eye makeup look becomes when the glitter is combined with this eyeshadow tone. I also apply this glitter to my lower lash line using an eyeliner brush. Be sure to apply the glitter in this area. You will notice that your eye makeup will be radiant and captivating. Complete the eye makeup with the winged eyeliner. I usually extend the eyeliner line up to the middle of my eyelid as this suits the shape of my eyes better, but you can extend it to the beginning of the eyelid based on your own preference. I also apply the glitter right above the eyeliner line using an eyeliner brush, which looks really beautiful. For this step, it's better to slightly dampen your brush with a setting spray or a small amount of water. If you don't have the spray, you can also use a liquid glitter product for easier application. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please go ahead and like the video or leave your comments down below. I upload new tutorial videos every week, so if you're interested in makeup and beauty content, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.